Alright guys, welcome back to For Life Auto, and today we have a 2003 Jeep Grand Cherokee with the straight block, and we're going to be doing the crank sensor today guys. The crank sensor, and we're going to get right at it. I'm going to show you what I did right now guys. So the crank sensor have a connection right here, so I disconnect that one, and guys you could put a rope on it or something because it's going the back, go this way. I take off the intake here, you didn't have to get some visual, but it's in the back right there guys. So that's for it's in the front here guys, and this is the crank sensor, and I'll be leaving the part number inside the description for you for this 2003 Jeep Grand Cherokee. So then guys, we head right under here guys, and it have a lot of video with taking out this, that, but guys if you want to get it out without any hassle, you drop the frame, subframe guys. You drop it from both sides and get the transmission down, and then guys you put the, look what I did, I put an extension right on the top, and look it right up there guys. Easy does it with my extension. Come in here and then I break the bolt, and then I could pull it up, jack back up the engine, and I get it from the top. Look it right there guys, it's on the bolt right there. There's the location of the crankshaft sensor for the Jeep Grand Cherokee guys. And basically it's just reverse procedure from here guys. Drop this bolt guys, these are number 16, so I drop these right down, 15, I drop these right down guys, right down, leave it hanging so the transmission can be supported by a piece of wood. Don't put metal stuff guys, you don't want to damage the pan. And yeah, you put the extension on the top guys, a lot of space to work with. And look at that guys, right there, a lot of space, so make your life easier. And then when you do this guys, just remember to keep the transmission jack as low as you can guys. I have a little bit of life left on my phone, so if the video is cut off, thank you for watching, please consider subscribing guys. I'll check my other videos out guys. I'm gonna try to do this video for 5-10 minutes so you guys can get a better look guys. So I'm gonna be right here trying to set my phone up, but this is on top of the transmission guys. You see where I run my you see where it is guys? That's how you gotta try to set my phone so you guys can see. Okay guys, let me just try to set this. So okay guys, this is where the sensor is, up to the side. I'm gonna try to take the phone as far as you can to get it out, to see it, just to see. So guys, bear with me because it's kind of hard to do this right here. Okay guys, so that's it up here. I don't know, it's very hard to get up here. So that's it right there guys, where the socket on, it's number 11. So guys, if you want to make your life easier, everybody do it a different way, but my thing is right on the money right here, ready to go. Put the bolt, tighten the, break the bolt, and then you could jack the transmission back up with the jack, and then you could pull the transmission, the sensor from on the top. Okay, make your life easier guys. Take out the bolts for the transmission frame and just get a jack and support it, jack it down. And guys, don't worry about this wood because I have it here too, but I also have a jack stand there, and I also have a ramp, and my wheel is on. So always remember to work safe guys. And when you finish that one guys, you take out the bolt, you jack the engine back up from here, and you could push your hand. You could try to get something to work it up, but when you put it back in guys, you could put it in back from here, route the wire, and pull it this side guys. So if you want to ease your life, drop the 4-bone from the subframe guys, and then your life will be easier. As I say, this is just basic reverse procedure guys. Everybody have their own videos about taking out the inside underneath, and some have the videos of getting the plate from inside. Yeah, some had them, you move that plate underneath here guys, 210 bolts. What I'm gonna do is that's for the shifter cable, and then the bolt should be right behind that. But I've just dropped the transmission, and I get enough space so I could do what I like guys. So guys, if you new to my channel, please consider subscribing, guys. And we have a lot of different things coming along the way. Yeah, thank you guys for the love and support. We're trying to reach 1,000 followers or subscribers right now, guys. And this is in the morning, so I'm a dad. So thank you very much. Shout out for everybody who's been watching. And guys, I go live every day, so if you want to see something different all the time, yeah. So guys, I might make a part 2, but I might just leave the video to make it longer. But guys, yeah, I'm gonna take out the sensor and then I'm gonna be right back. If I'm not back, it's just a basic reverse procedure, guys. So guys, thank you for watching. And if my videos end, it might get a part 2 on the same video, so it might be 10 minutes. So guys, if you reach this far, please consider subscribing, guys. And today, this is the part number for the 2003 Grand Cherokee, 2001, 2, 3, 4, whatever, get this size engine. This is the part number for the crank sensor. Guys can pause the video. And you can see there, it's made in Mexico. And yeah, so all Mexico, they have good parts because they make parts, the assembly parts there too. Engineer Management Technology, BWD. So shout out for BWD for making the sensor a little bit affordable than the dealership. Guys can check them out. Don't be shy. At your local parts stores, parts store, whatever, Canadian Tire, whoever sell those. Guys, this is a good brand and it works great because I worked with this before. Alright guys, thank you for watching. And as I say, you clip the clip, you'll see the same clip like this on this side. Let me get the light. So that's the clip right there. And the connection is right there too, guys. See the both of them? Right there and the right here. So that's the route of the crank sensor going into the back. So now guys, I'm gonna be jacking the engine up and pulling out the sensor from here and pulling it back from here, and I'm gonna be bolting it back from the bottom. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and if you make it that far, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for the love and support, guys. We need to reach 1,000 subscribers and keep the video going, guys. We need the watch hours too, so keep watching to the end. And I'll try to take out the sensor and put the part 2 to show you that the sensor is out. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Thank you very much. I'm out. And guys, have a good day. Alright guys, I will get the sensor out now. So this is the replacement sensor. Exactly as the other one. We're going to match them up, as you can see. And connection, the same. Always check your connection. Always check your stuff before you get into more details. Alright guys, and as I say, we route the sensor from the top and we pry it from the bottom. We drop the transmission and then we could get it easily. We put it back from this way, push it right down back, put the number 11 bolts, goes here. And guys, yeah. So thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for the love, guys. Click the notification button when I go live. You go live. Alright guys, I'm out. Thank you for the love and support. I'll catch you on the next one. Now as you can see guys, I dropped the transmission to the lowest point. Just like if you're gonna take out the transmission. See guys, take out these bolts, jack the transmission, keep the jack on the frame, keep your stands, work safe guys. And there's your crank sensor right there. Look at it where it is, right there. Right up there. See? Where the light is. I get it in already. All I gotta do now is just push my hand, push it down to put the bolt in, and it's a number 11. So guys, if you make your life easier for the sensor, and do the connection on the top, I'm gonna bring it around to the other side to connect it back. All you gotta do is drop the frame, guys. That's it. You drop the transmission, 15 here, 15 here, 15 here, 15 here, and then the transmission come down with this. And while you're here, you know it's a good time to check your mount, see if your mount is messed up. So you can change that out. And yeah, guys, your transmission will be flexing, so it won't damage anything, because that will go in the joint until you jack it back up. So nothing is stressing. But yeah, guys, and then you take your hand, you put back in the sensor from here, you put your bolt from here, and you tighten it, guys, and you jack back up the engine, and then you're done. And guys, the connection is right there. You put the connection on the other side, so you can, yeah. So I just say I want to follow up with you guys. So you put back your bolt in, you drop your transmission, guys. Easiest thing ever, more. Guys have it the hard way, but you could do it like this way, because you have four bolts here, 15, and 4 on the other side, guys. Guys, if you're new to my channel, subscribing. Yeah, guys, so you gotta make it work whatever way is better for you. So guys, please thumbs up, like the video, share the video, make it easier for somebody. As you can see, guys, this is how I would do it, and it makes it easier for me, because it's very tight spot up there to get that bolt out, and I don't want games with that bolt. So guys, so this is number 11. And they put a weight size there, could be 10, but they put 11. So that's how the manufacturer say. Okay, you could change your bolt and put 10, whatever you decide to do. This is 15. Over there's 15 too. And then you gotta lubricate these bolts before you put them back. And guys, yeah, guys, and your job is finished. So you don't have to take off the intake, anything. You could pull your wires up and somebody pull while you pry the sensor out, guys, because the sensor will be all gummy with oil or stuff behind there. And yeah, just try and make it work safer as ways you can, guys. And always remember to walk safe. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video, make this video go viral, and make it for everybody to understand. And guys, thank you for love and support. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. I'm out. Alright, guys, crank sensor in, engine running. And guys, this is a very hard video to show you exactly, because the crank sensor is in a bad location. I doubt it's hard to get your camera in there, but guys, as I explained to you, that's how you can get out easy. You drop the frame, transmission down, and you can see the sensor right on the top. The bolts is number 15, the subframe for the transmission is 15, and the bolts for the cam sensor is number 11, not 10. And guys, that's pretty much it. You don't have to move anything here. Just disconnect the sensor from that side where the battery is, and then you're all good. Alright guys, thumbs up for the video if you like. Consider subscribing. I'll catch you on the next one, guys. I'm out. Check out my Halloween costume stuff at the end of the video too.
If a drop of semen has more lives than a drop of blood, why don't vampires suck dick?
Who the fuck starts a conversation like that? I just sat down.